If you are newly sober, congratulations. Now, let's put your gut back together. The silver lining of healing and cleansing your gut and your liver is that it will allow your brain and your nervous system to detox and regenerate. This will launch you right into that brand new life that you've been waiting for. I'm Julia Lyons, a gut coach and colon therapist of over 40 years. I'm not a doctor. I've helped thousands of people heal inflammatory conditions, and I've supported hundreds of clients in my clinic as their bodies release the effects of drugs and alcohol. But you can do all of this in the privacy of your own home. For one, start with your stomach. If you have ulcers, GERD, or acid reflux, get tested for H. pylori, the stomach bacteria. And if it's left untreated, it can lead to stomach cancer. If you test positive, your doctor can treat you. When you don't have adequate hydrochloric acid in your stomach, all kinds of nasty critters can get through. To heal your stomach lining, use the dynamic duo of gut health, aloe vera juice and bone broth. The aloe vera juice start with just 1 ounce because it has slightly laxative qualities. You can drink as much bone broth as you want. It's high in protein. It's an excellent snack, great for balancing blood sugar. Just look for something without onion and garlic if you have any inflammatory gut issue. Now, if food sits in your stomach like a rock, you're not making enough hydrochloric acid to digest it. In that case, you need a digestive enzyme with hydrochloric acid, and you take it at the end of your meals. If you don't have one you love, try my Enzyme Energy. I designed it specifically for people with sensitive bellies. Number 2, colon cleansing, which will automatically allow your liver to flush toxins. Don't start doing liver flushes without colon cleansing, because otherwise you're filling up a garbage can that's already full. You can see someone like me for professional colon therapy treatments. For gentle, easy colon and liver cleansing, you can use my Happy Gut Cleanse. It's a safe, effective formula that you can take every day. No bloat, no embarrassing trips to the bathroom. This formula not only encourages daily bowel movements, but it allows your liver to cleanse and detox. All of that will help your mood and reduce cravings. Number 3, if you're bloated all the time, no matter what you eat, and you have rashes and out of control cravings, you may have yeast and candida overgrowth. It's a common side effect of alcohol use. To heal this, diet changes are crucial. To heal this, you want to focus on eating protein and vegetables and eliminating as much sugar, wheat, and dairy as you can. Also consider adding my my formula Yeast Be Gone, because diet alone isn't generally enough to eliminate or balance candida or yeast overgrowth. But once you do, you won't believe how many fewer cravings you have. It's like freedom. Speaking of protein, number 4 is make sure you're getting 120 grams of protein a day. Protein is the antidote for not only sugar cravings, but all kinds of cravings. The more protein you eat, the better you're going to feel. If you're feeling overwhelmed and confused and you'd like a guide to walk you step by step through how to heal your gut, book a coaching call. You've got this. And of course, I look forward to seeing you on our TikTok and YouTube lives, Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's a great place to come and ask me questions for free in real time and meet an amazing community of gut health warriors who are healing, and hear success stories that will inspire you and allow you to trust and know that your body is capable of healing.